In a mature move to curb noise and light pollution, the Odisha High Court has banned the use of laser lights and imposed strict restrictions on DJ sound systems in Cuttack city. As per the court's directive, laser lights in processions within the Cuttack DCP area have been completely prohibited and decorative lighting has also been barred beyond 10 pm until the next hearing. The court further ruled that loud and high decibel DJ systems cannot be used, reiterating that sound levels must remain within prescribed limits. The division bench expressed concern over the impact of excessive noise and glaring laser lights on the public, particularly the elderly, children, and women. The court also sought details on the monitoring mechanism in place and asked the DCP to submit an affidavit explaining enforcement measures. The directions were issued during the hearing of a civil issues case with a bench comprising Justice K.R. Mahapatra and Justice V. Narasinghe. The Commissioner Police have been instructed to ensure strict compliance with the order across the city.
आमे समस्ते जेतेबेले रास्ता रे पास करूचे कोटना कोटी आपण माने आमे समस्ते देखुचे डीजे एते जोर बाजुचे जे आमे समस्ते ता द्वारा अफेक्टेड वयस्क लोक कहतु छोट पिला कहतु महिला कहतु एवं आमे माने मध्य एते जोर डीजे आवाज रे हम छाती धड़धड़ हे जाउछ तेणु ए कथा को जेतेबेले आज मानवर हाई कोर्ट रे आमे उठेइथिलु एवं ता छडा आ गुटे लाइट लेजर लाइट बुलुछ गुटे गाड़ी भीतर रही से आखी जेते लेजर लाइट रे हम आखी रे पडुची आमे ता परवर्ती आम आखि मळी होउची एवं एथुर पानी बाहरुची ए कथा जेतरा मानवर हाई कोर्ट प्रकाश करथिलु मानवर हाई कोर्ट निर्देश देइचंती कमिशन रे कटक डीसीपी एरिया भितरे लेजर लाइट संपूर्ण भाव में ब्यान रे नेक्स्ट डेट पर्यंत।